We're clear! We're clear! That's how you do it, boys! Woo! Tag them in. Tag them in, bag them, tag them. That's how I roll, Stucky. Wine and dine him 30-69 him. I'm a bad motherfucker. Woo! Go, yikes, get it. Yeah, get that thing.
Sir, no offense, but I think that was a baby bird.
Jesus H. Christ, we are not clear. We gotta get it. Oh my God.
Sir, ceasefire!
We gotta do something. Get down. Get
Sir,
down.
no offense, it's just a baby bird.
Yeah, a baby bird.
I'll go catch it, let it outside, and then we'll be okay. Jeez, what the hell is wrong with you?
What? Get back here. What's wrong with me? I will tell you what's wrong with me. A baby bird, they'll get you. A baby bird will get you.
Hey, I can understand if it was like a mountain lion or something, but again, and no offense, it's a baby bird.
You don't understand. You do not understand. They will get you, okay? Stay away from it. All right? We gotta call in some backup.
Sergeant Blumman, are you losing it?
What? No, I'm not. Oh, I think I heard it scratch. I heard it scratch at something. Oh, God. We're not. See, we're not gonna make it. We are not gonna make it. Oh my God.
Come on, man. Seriously.
I can hack it. I can hack it.
Sir, no offense, but you just took out the gang member Kingpin and 3 of his best hookers. Gang members, baby bird, gang members, baby bird. I'm not seeing it.
When I was 9, remember it like it was yesterday. It was summer, and there was a baby bird in our garage. It had fallen out of the nest, out of the eaves trough. And I went and I got a fleece white blanket, and I tried to corner it and catch it, and I did, and I threw the blanket over, and I reached under the blanket to pet it, and it emitted some sort of white, clear, cream liquid secretion on my hand. And then when I lifted up the blanket, it flew right at me. It flew right at my face. It flew right at my face.
Just catch it and let it go.
Okay, fine.
Stuck. No. Oh God, stuck. You don't go.
Shit, man, did you see this? Whoa, that thing flew right at you, man!
See.
It pushed out some clear cream shit.
See. I told you.
Screw this, man. Let's get out of here.
You go in the